Welcome to AI Evolution, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of artificial intelligence. Today we dive into a thrilling showdown for the future of AI funding between two giants, Grok and ChatGPT. First up, Grok, a startup focused on building intelligent systems capable of deep learning. Backed by Elon Musk, Grok has received a whopping $1 billion in funding. Their aim? To create superhuman AI capable of understanding and solving complex problems. On the other side, we have ChatGPT, an open-source project from OpenAI. While Grok has the financial advantage, ChatGPT has gained significant momentum with its free access to natural language processing models. But the competition doesn't end there. As both teams push the boundaries of AI, Elon Musk finds himself funding both Grok and actively supporting the development of ChatGPT. Why invest in both sides? The answer lies in Musk's commitment to ensuring the responsible development of AI. While Grok strives to build powerful AI, ChatGPT focuses on democratizing AI to benefit society as a whole. Musk believes that funding both endeavors will help balance the advancement of AI technology with ethical considerations. As AI technology continues to evolve, it's crucial to strike a balance between innovation and responsible development. The battle for AI funding between Grok and ChatGPT represents a critical moment in shaping the future of artificial intelligence. What are your thoughts on this funding showdown? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching AI Evolution. Stay tuned for more updates as we explore the frontier of AI technologies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest videos and hit that notification bell to never miss an update.